signs. Be advised, movement to the left flank.
Roger, checking left.
Clarification and Opus touch your toe.
Bravo 6, maintain formation.
Over.
Copy. Moving through the fog now. Keep scanning. Hold position. Contact front.
Moving slow.
Contact, 11 o'clock. Light them up.
Taking the big one.
Keep firing, hold the line.
It's still coming.
Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to make an AI movie using Google View 3. The first thing that you need to do is to come to your Chrome browser and look for Urban VPN. Then you scroll down to Chrome Web Store. You click on that. Once you're on Chrome Web Store, you're going to be seeing something like remove from Chrome. I've already added it to Chrome. That is why it is indicating remove from Chrome. And what you can do is to scroll down and check the country that it is allocated. Here we have Algeria. You can change it to United States or any country that you want to take your VPN to. So right now I'm going to change it to United States. Once I change my location to United States, you will now go to new tab and for Google Flow, look for Google Flow, and once you type Google Flow, then you are going to see something like Google Lab. It says create with Flow. It says new project. Then you are going to click on new project. Then when you come here and click on your email, you're going to see something like 150 AI credits. This refresh daily. So you come down. That means they're going to be giving you 150 credits every day. So you come down, you have start and end mode here. This means that if you're using image or video, you're going to upload your image here. And if you want, you can upload another image here. This one will be the ending image. What you can do here, we're going to be using the text to video format. And you come to video section here. You're going to select video. Which resolution do you want? You want 16 by 9. If you want to put frames, you select frame. If you want to put your image, you select image. And here we're going to be going with video 16 by 9. And how many videos do you want it to create at the same time? Is it one video? It's 8 seconds, or 2 videos in 8 seconds, or 3 videos as well. So here we're going to be choosing one video, and you scroll down here. You're going to see view 3.1 light, view 3.1 fast, view 3.1 quality. I'm going to be choosing this one, view 3.1 fast. This one takes only 20 credits. So what you can do right now is to get our prompt, and we go to ChatGPT, and I've already written a prompt here. So you come to ChatGPT and give it a small writing so they can create you a prompt. I said, write me a prompt to use in View 3, and let it be a war film in thick forest where Americans are hunting devils and vampires firing them. Let it be in this style. Make scenes, and each scene is 8 seconds long. Make a 2-minute long video prompt. Make each scene to have this visual description, actions, audio prompt, and etc. So when you come down here, you're going to say it's hyper realistic and cinematic 4K videos. Note include cinematic, visual, realistic action in each scene. So when you scroll down again, you're going to be seeing something like this. It has already generated me the master prompt, and if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Okay, when you scroll down, I make a little bit changes here to my prompt. We have master prompt expanded. So each time you are creating, you have to make sure this master prompt is included. You are going to copy all of this master prompt, and we're going to copy this master prompt, and we come back to flow, and we're going to paste this one here. Now this means clipboard. We're going to paste this. Go to continue to view, Google. I will continue in ChatGPT. Let me copy this one again, bring it to Google Flow, and click submit. So sometimes it takes seconds. It's a fail. Okay, what you can do here is to refresh the page, and we click submit again. Sometimes it takes a minute before it is done. Okay, scene 1 is almost done. Now let's go back to our prompt. We are going to copy the master prompt and come back to Google Flow and paste it there. let's go for scene 2. We are going to copy scene 2 now. Copy everything and paste it in Google Flow and click submit. Then scene 1 is done. 8 seconds, but it is character consistency and it creates scenes accordingly. And listening is light to fast. Let's see whether scene 2 is ready. It's almost 62%, 65. Let's go back to the master prompt. We copy everything and then we continue again. I think scene 3 is almost done. We're going to grab the scenes accordingly and drop them into Google Flow. Let's check our credits because we are given 150 credits. We have 90 credits left. Let's go and grab the other scene from the master prompt. Okay. Then we copy scene 5. I'm going to paste it here and click continue. And you can check scene 5, scene 6. Let's go to scene 6 and we copy scene 6 and come back to flow. We paste scene 6. Let's go back to the master prompt. Copy the master prompt again and come back to flow, and we are going to paste it on top here and we click continue. Then the shutdown is done. Then just click this one and view it. Let's go back and we can paste our prompt again, the master prompt, and now we go for scene 7. We're going to grab scene 7 and let's go back to flow and paste it here and click continue. We are out of credits. One more left. Let's go to scene 8 and come back to flow, and we are going to paste it. Let's go back and grab our master prompt, and so we're going to grab this master prompt. Let's go back to flow and we're going to paste it here in flow. We are going to click submit, upgrade. Okay, I think our credits, no limited credits. We're out of credit, we have 10. So we're going to create until it refreshes itself in the next 24 hours. So these are character consistencies. Now, if you want to download your video, then you come here, the first video, say download. Click on that and come to animated GIF, or you come to the original size. Come to the original size. If you want to download the 1080p, you have to upgrade, or 4K, you have to upgrade. So you have to click the 720p when you download it. Then you come to the second video also. You click the original. Come to the third video also. You click the original. Where you from, you can download all of them. You download, click here and you download the original site. Come here, download the original site. Come here, download the original size. And let's see the final result in CapCut. It says all videos are downloaded, and I'm going to see the result in CapCut. Still now download. Let's go back and see whether there is any video that you don't download. All of them are downloaded. Now what you can do is to use CapCut. Once you are in CapCut, you are going to arrange everything, and I'm going to be showing you how you can arrange all of them in CapCut. Thank you. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the update of my next video. Once you are in CapCut, you will go to import and control click. You select them and then open. Then drag all of them into CapCut. And here's the final result.
All call signs, be advised. Movement to the left flank.
Roger, checking left.
Clarification and Opus touch your toe.
Bravo 6, maintain formation.
Over.
Copy. Moving through the fog now. Keep scanning. Hold position. Contact front.
Moving slow.
Contact, 11 o'clock. Light them up.
Taking the big one.
Keep firing, hold the line.
It's still coming.
We've got multiple contacts. They're moving too fast.